In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Blue Orb in Cobbleverse. So the first thing you want to do is you want to find the Kyogre Temple, and it is going to look something like this. To find the Kyogre Temple, you're able to use it with an empty map and a Kyogre radar. Here is a crafting recipe for the Kyogre radar. It will consist of a Heart of the Sea, a Poke Radar, a Water Gem, and to make a Poke Radar, this is the crafting recipe right over here. You'll need to find a locator chip, iron, redstone, and like that. And to spawn in Kyogre himself, so that you're actually able to get Primal Kyogre, you will also need to bring this item called the Ocean Core. And this is the crafting recipe for the Ocean Core, so it is going to consist of more water gems and also a Heart of the Sea. And then you're able to go ahead and use this to make your way to the Kyogre Temple. And here is how the Kyogre Temple is going to look like. You could also use commands as well. Let me go ahead and just briefly show you the command as well. So if you want, and if it's something you're comfortable with, you could always use commands in order to actually find it. So the command is /locate structure Cobbleverse, then type in legendary /Kyogre, and then it is going to let you know the coordinates to the nearest one. And here's how the entrance of the temple is going to look like. Now, of course, you could just go inside the temple like you normally would, but there's actually a secret room up here. So up here, you just want to go ahead and break this. And then check this out. We have like a Kyogre statue right over here. And right behind him, that's where the Blue Orb actually is. And this is going to turn your Kyogre into Primal Kyogre. So this is where you're able to go ahead and find it. And then from there, you can go ahead and proceed to the actual temple like you normally would. You would activate it by using the Ocean Core on the altar. Then you would capture Kyogre right over here. Once you captured him, you're able to give him the Blue Orb, and that is going to turn him from Kyogre to Primal Kyogre. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.